If you've watched the channel, you know I love interesting places and good food. Well, I found some place that offers both.
This is KPot, Korean barbecue and hot pot. It's a chain and can be found in a lot of places. This one was virtually in my own backyard in Ocala, Florida.
Hi, welcome to KPot.
Jolene was our guide through the buffet and the cooking process and took great care of us to ensure a good experience. I can't say enough nice things about her. The location itself showed off a very nice bar with friendly bartenders and servers. The decor was booths and had a very clean, stylish look. The most important takeaway is the table itself, where you have heating pads and a grill for your use to become a Korean chef. If you choose to go the hot pot route, you get a steel bowl that you can add a myriad of bases and ingredients to make your own masterpiece. And I am talking about a lot of ingredients. If you can't find something you like on this wide selection, you aren't trying. I went for the barbecue route during my visit and perused the many meats, bulgogis, pork bellies, seafood, veggies, peppers, and fruits on the buffet. On the other side were also a lot of kimchis, edamame, seasoned bamboo shoots, lychee, peaches, pineapples, and some dessert items. And of course, sauces and condiments. With this armory of ingredients, you can make any number of different tastes and textures. The fun part's the cooking itself. I always love taking taste directly off the grill when cooking out. This is a complete meal doing just that. You're in control on how you make your food, so there is no complaining to the chef. Jolene changed our grill plate between cooking sessions to keep the flavors as we intended without a lot of crossover. It was a fun and delicious time. And did I mention it's all you can eat? It sure is. And there's also an ice cream cabinet so you can finish with a strawberry, vanilla, or chocolate cup or take one to go. So check out KPot.
So from me to you, chun sum yun. That's Korean for bon appetit.